with meteorologist Dan Tomasso.
I've been showing different views across the mid-state since the start of the show. It's pretty much the same everywhere. These dark, kind of ominous-looking clouds. The reason why they look like they're darker and ominous is because they're growing in height because of the amount of cold air above us, the relatively mild air down near the ground. Perfect recipe for cloud cover here this afternoon. That's exactly what we have pretty much everywhere on the satellite picture now, enshrouded with clouds. But as we start to get closer to the evening hours, we lose the sunshine, we lose the heating of the day, skies will clear again. It's also that sun fueling these pretty much nonstop bands of pretty heavy snow. Some areas over Indiana, over a foot of snow. I would likely guess the same thing's happening in parts of Ohio too. Reports I saw, though, of Indiana, pretty impressive lake effect snow. Again, this happens this time of the year. The perfect recipe is cold air moving in over the relatively warm lakes. Temperatures right now, low to mid 40s in the valleys, but upper 30s at best in the higher elevations. And the winds continue, so it feels colder outside too, just because of the wind blowing through from the northwest. Today's day planner calling for those winds to continue, upwards of 20 miles per hour on average, but gusting higher, closer to 30 and 40 miles per hour. So there's the nonstop wind. In fact, we're getting multiple disturbances in this flow. That's why we're getting snow showers too over parts of Kentucky and Tennessee. And then in addition to that, the lake effect snow. So a lot going on near us, but once again, we're not in the center of it. So best chances for snow today, northern and northwestern Pennsylvania. Now heading through tonight, some clearing, but maybe a couple snow showers west and northwest. Should not be accumulating snow, but kind of our first taste if you see it in parts of Mifflin, Juniata, Huntington, and parts of Perry counties. Then through tomorrow, still more clouds during the day, some sunshine too, but we don't really start to see temperatures bounce back until we head into Thursday and Friday's forecast. So by then, we'll be in the 50s and it'll be calmer. But until that point, it is not calm outside. 10 to 20 mile per hour winds on average. Tonight they fall a little bit, but then tomorrow during the day, they kick right back up. So we could see winds in excess of 20, 30, even 40 miles per hour at times tomorrow during the day. Now, I want to mention this milder pattern comes with some quiet weather Thursday and Friday. There will be showers to our north Thursday into Friday. I think our next chance of rain holds all the way off until after the weekend into next Monday's forecast. So after this chill, things do settle down a bit. And by Thursday and Friday, sunshine with temperatures in the 50s, that'll feel balmy compared to this. And again, lighter winds will help too. That's the combination this time of the year that makes it rough. When you don't get a lot of sunshine and it's constantly windy, kind of cold out there.
Yeah, absolutely. But so it's going to be nice to have that sun come back.
Yes.
At the end of the week.
Almost time for winter coat season, but not quite yet.
Absolutely. Dan, thank you so much. We'll be right back.
Make your picks for the Pro Football